Hey YouTube, Miss Kabumba here. Let's get into something spooky. I'm gonna hit you with some Hello Kitty zombie inspired makeup while I talk about
scary spooky stories
in my life. So let's get into it.
This video is not sponsored but should be. I'm using Rimmel London Primer and you can be palettes. Don't forget to subscribe to Miss Kabumba.
Cause I'm gonna put these
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man.
everywhere.
Get your ass on.
Story time number 1. This man ditched me. This is back at AfroFest 2024. I went for literally just 1 hour with my cousin. And, if you know anything about AfroFest, it's a lot of fun girl and a lot of fine men, okay? And it's a lot of Black culture. So some people go out to literally collect numbers and build a roster, but I went for my cousins, the music, and the food. Anyhow, near the end, there's this group of guys that just came up to us and started speaking, and he had a camera on him, and then we were just talking about working in social media and creative industry. He said he liked my outfit, and I sold my outfit that day, y'all. Said he really liked it. Then something broke out. I don't know what in the ghetto.
The ghetto.
But when it's coming to AfroFest, especially 2024, that's when it got a lot more violence. So a fight breaks out. Stampede. Everybody running. Slowly flirting with me. And this man ran away. And then, when everything settled down, he's gonna come back. He came back to me.
Oh, hell no, man. What?
And I look at him like, you cannot get my number. You literally just ran away from me. And his words were, I can't save myself. These are the men we're left with. I know. It's definitely scary out here. That was an ick. And it leads me to another story. We're going to also talk about man in my DMs.
Oh.
This guy is the brother of my sister's best friend. He's known me for years. Knew me for 10 years now. That's quite a while. Anyways, ever since I started the gym and my physique got a bit more curvier in certain areas, he's been talking to me more. He'd always be liking my gym progress posts, as well as just trying to start small conversation, like if I'm doing well and what I've been up to. But he was never like that before, the past 10 years, only now. All right. Anyways, I don't know how the conversation went about. He does like anime and arts, right? So we talked about that for a few seconds. And we started talking about One Piece. If you know the character Zoro, he built like this, right? So I talk about how Zoro is one of the greatest characters at the beginning of One Piece, and I really like them. And then they're gonna say they're built like him.
What? No, dude!
And send a picture of Zoro shirtless and compare their body to him and say, this is what you could be laying on, because that's how my chest is built.
Ugh. Brother, ugh.
Grown ass man, by the way. Grown man. We're in our 20s here, and you're comparing yourself to a fictional character. That's a drawing.
What's that? What's that, brother?
A drawing.
Ugh.
And if you don't think it gets worse than this, don't worry. It does. Let's talk about this self-hating Black man who asked for my contact information. Alright. This happened to me while I was in university. This is back in 2019. I'm mentioning the year because this was before I ever started wearing wigs. This man sees me with a camera lanyard on my neck asking if I'm a photographer, and I say no, I'm just a art and media student. Then he said he thinks I look really good and he likes the creative industry as well, and if he could have my Instagram. I give him my Instagram. How come he DMs me, hey, these are the hairstyles you should try, by the way.
What?
We're talking 30-inch bust down wigs. But he met me and I had my natural hair out.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
If you scroll throughout my whole Instagram, it's my natural hair at that time. I barely even had braids in. How you gonna approach someone, see the way they look, and then your immediate response is telling them how they should change their appearance to please you?
Boy, have you lost your mind, because I'll help you find it. What you're looking for, ain't nobody gonna help you out there. Jesus can come through that door and he's not gonna help you.
And that's not crazy, I don't know what is. It's scary out here. As a black man, as a brother, as someone of the community, Dr. Umar would be shaking his head right now.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
If you don't think it gets worse than this, don't worry, it does. We're gonna talk about a man that didn't like me because I was Congolese. Black man at that. This was also at Afrofest 2024, but literally after this, more people have told me they didn't want to talk to me because I'm Congolese. Anyhow, just came up to me, asked me where I'm from because Afrofest is a lot of African people across different countries, and I told them I'm Congolese. Their response is, oh, Congolese women are toxic.
Huh?
Like, what? You don't even know me. Then he says, if he can have my number. And I look at him like he kind of crazy. Then they just start talking to everyone around me at the same time. It was really weird. It was quite a weird experience. I thought they actually looked good at first, and then they started talking, and I'm like, they just keep getting worse. I'll throw in another story of how somebody didn't want to talk to me because I was Congolese. So I was on the train tracks, and dude asked me where I'm from. Once again, I say I'm Congolese, and he's like, oh, but then he still wants to talk to me afterwards. It's really weird. I keep getting strange reactions. And, ooh, we could talk about this. This is actually important. Some people have a superiority complex when it comes to what country they are from, thinking that they are better than other countries in the continents. That's for my African people. Anyhow, we want to talk about the next story time. We're going to talk about old men. So, I don't know why these men see me, and I am clearly decades younger than they are.
I'm 56 years old.
Damn!
I'm sorry.
These men are around my older sibling ages. These men are around my parents' ages. They're trying to approach me. It's quite strange, actually. Quite strange. This happens when I'm at the gym, when I'm at a bus stop, when I'm just walking around. I think women their age don't like them, so they think it's okay to go younger. I will tell them in a million different ways no, because I'm not trying to get sliced and diced, you feel me? I'll tell them I think they're too old for me. Then their response is always, no, I'm not.
You make me so mad.
Or they hear that I'm in my 20s and say, see, it's fine, we go together.
Ugh.
If I'm not comfortable talking to you, an old man, grandpa, then why are you trying to convince me that it's okay?
Brother, ugh. What's that?
These men are insane. They really think I'm dumb enough to believe that they genuinely want me and not that they're searching for someone younger than them so they can manipulate them, since the women their age do not want them and see them as losers. It's quite strange. I got no business being with someone that much grown. 30, 40, 50, 60, it's already looking crazy. And hey, if the love of my life is in that age range, trust and believe, they're going to go through a lot of grilling. It's just insane. No, these people are actually creepy. It's creepy vibes. It's scary. It's like, leave me alone. I'm just a girl. It's looking like men of all ages, all racial backgrounds are acting like weirdos. I don't know what is happening in the air. What's happening in the pool that I'm not even trying to go in. They call it the dating pool. I'm not even trying to go in that pool. That pool is contaminated. That pool's got acid in it. That pool smells like doo-doo. That pool is brown. I'm not going in that pool. And they are trying to drag me into the dating pool that I don't want to be in. Hello? 911 emergency. Anyways, we're going to talk about somebody else. All right. A really weird interaction I had with a non-black man this time. Yeah, because all these stories are about like black, brown dudes, but this is a non-black man who stereotyped me. So, the first thing he says when he sees me, a black woman, is if I smoke the greens. I thought that was so weird. Because why would you say that to someone you just met? I was at this anime-like party, and I assume you'd at least ask. I don't know how I'm doing or if I want to drink anything, even though I don't at all. I literally don't at all. That was just strange. I couldn't help to think that this is something people do when they talk to black people and they don't know what to say, so they just assume we like to smoke.
Oh! This guy stinks!
I honestly did feel stereotyped. And yeah, uncomfortable. So, those were 6 stories about really weird, scary men out here. Part of our Halloween week special. So you got a makeup look and interesting story times. Now I want y'all to comment which guy was the worst out of all 6 of them. Number 1, we had the man that abandoned me when there was a fight. Number 2, we have the guy that's comparing himself to an anime character. Number 3, we got the guy that doesn't like natural hair even though he is black. His mama got natural hair and he got natural hair too. Number 4, we got the African men that don't like Congolese women, but they still want to talk to them anyways. Number 5, we got the old heads. And number 6, we got the non-black people that stereotype black people. Which guy was the scariest? And all in all, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Give me your brains. I'm a zombie.
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified of the daily uploads for this week. Bye. Love you.